Tired of painfully slow downloads that feel like they take forever? Today, I'm going to show you how to turbocharge your downloads by integrating Internet Download Manager, or IDM, directly into Google Chrome. First, make sure IDM is already installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, download and install it from the official IDM website. Now, open your Chrome browser and navigate to Chrome extensions in the address bar in the top right corner. Toggle the developer mode switch to the on position. This allows us to manually install the IDM extension. Next, locate your IDM installation directory. The default location is usually in Program Files, Internet Download Manager. Once you've found the folder, look for a file named IDMGCExt.crx. Click and drag this file directly onto the Chrome extensions page. Chrome will prompt you to add the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. You should now see the IDM integration module listed as an enabled extension. You might need to restart Chrome for the extension to function properly, and that's it. You've successfully integrated IDM with Google Chrome. Now enjoy significantly faster download speeds and better download management.